Hello guys, in this video I will show you why you can't change your username on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, as you can see now, if you want to change your username, the best option to do that is now tap on this, as you can see now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile as in this section, all you have to do now, tap on this where it says edit profile. After you come to this edit profile, to change your username, all you have to do now, tap on this section which says username, tap on it. After you tap on this username, as you can see now, here is now my username. As you can see now, before you change your username, make sure to read this. As you can see now, this terms and condition that TikTok gives you. Let's read it for you. As you can see now, here TikTok it says username can contain only letters, numbers, underscore, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. That's the best option. So the second statement it says you can change your username once every 30 days. So now if I change my username this one, now I can't be able to change it until I wait like until 30 days, then I can change it. And after 1 month, then I can change it again. So let's go and change it now. Joseph. I'll just go and type something like, let's type like something like this one, like this. So as you can see now, here is now my username. So as you can see now here is my username. As you can see, here is it. As you can see now, here is now my username. I change it. So now if I tap on this save button, tap on this set username again. Now I change the username. If I want to change it again, now if I tap on the username section and I tap on this section, as you can see now it just shared the option. Now I can't be able to change my username until this period. As you can see now I must wait for after 17th of May, then I can be able to change my username. That's 30 days. I must wait for 30 days before I change my username. So the reason why TikTok doesn't allow you to change your username is you change your username like twice in a month. So you can only change your username once in a month. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.